In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a desktop shortcut for Yahoo Mail, making your email just a click away on your computer. Let's dive in and make checking your emails more convenient. To start, open up your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, but for this example, I'm using Google Chrome because it's a widely used option. Once your browser is open, head over to yahoo.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Yahoo Mail account. You know your login details best, so enter your email and password to access your inbox. With your Yahoo Mail account open, let's set up that handy shortcut. Move your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon where you can find various options for managing your browser. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Depending on your specific version of Chrome, the wording may vary slightly, but look for an option that says something like Save and Share or More Tools. You'll notice that there's an option titled Create Shortcut or Install App. This feature allows you to add a quick access point directly from your desktop for any website you're currently viewing. Now, after clicking either Create Shortcut or Install App, a new window will pop up. In this window, you will be prompted to name your shortcut. To keep things simple and recognizable, let's name it Yahoo Mail. Naming it appropriately ensures you'll easily identify it among other shortcuts on your desktop later. Once you've decided on a name, click Create. At this point, you'll find a new icon on your desktop. This is your Yahoo Mail shortcut. Now, every time you need to check your email, you won't need to open your browser and type in the website. A simple double-click on this icon will take you straight to your Yahoo Mail inbox. It's an excellent way to streamline your workflow and save you time on daily tasks. If you're looking for even quicker access, you can take it a step further. Find your Yahoo Mail icon on the desktop, right-click it, and from the context menu, select Pin to Taskbar. By pinning it to your taskbar, you'll have immediate access to your emails, no matter how many windows you have open. It's a fantastic way to keep your most used applications right at your fingertips without cluttering your desktop. And that's all there is to it. Following these simple steps, you've successfully created a desktop shortcut for Yahoo Mail. It's an easy and effective way to stay connected with your emails and enhance your daily productivity. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks like this one. See you next time.